The United States Federal Reserve's latest summary of economic projections, released earlier this week, provides valuable insights into the central bank's outlook on interest rates and the overall economy, much less. According to these projections, Federal Reserve officials are still inclined to implement one more interest rate hike before the end of this year. And a recent report indicated that the central bank's median projection suggests that the federal funds rate will likely reach 5.6% by this year's end, mirroring the June forecast. This suggests that most members of the Federal Reserve's Policy Committee believe that an additional quarter-point increase in interest rate will be necessary, potentially set to be implemented during the November or December meetings. Looking ahead to 2024, the dot plot representing individual members' views on the rate outlook suggests that 2 quarter-point rate cuts may be on the horizon. The median forecast for 2024 shows a federal funds rate of 5.1%, a notable increase from the 4.6% forecast in June, indicating a reduced expectation of rate cuts. And the decrease in the forecasted rate cuts for 2024 is a noteworthy change in this update. According to Andrew Patterson, senior economist with Vanguard, this change, combined with more optimistic growth expectations and improved unemployment forecasts, suggests that the Federal Reserve is growing increasingly confident in its ability to navigate a soft landing. This means that the central bank believes the economy can withstand higher interest rates for a longer period without experiencing significant disruptions. Bitcoin, often dubbed digital gold, has garnered substantial attention as a hedge against traditional financial market fluctuations. An interesting dynamic has emerged in recent years, with Bitcoin's value tending to exhibit an inverse relationship with interest rates set by central banks. When interest rates are low, investors often turn to alternative assets like Bitcoin in pursuit of higher returns. As the Federal Reserve signals a potential interest rate hike, the dynamics of this relationship might change. An interest rate increase would make traditional interest-bearing assets more attractive investors. However, one key aspect of Bitcoin that could mitigate the effects of an interest rate hike is its status as a hedge and safe haven asset during times of economic uncertainty. Bitcoin has often been perceived as a digital refuge for investors seeking to protect their wealth from inflation or financial instability. This characteristic is expected to remain intact regardless of fluctuations in interest rates, and might be the basis to fuel a new bull run in the price of Bitcoin.